Hello everyone, this is Krishi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to have an external glow up. So without any further ado, let's begin with our video. So in external glow up there are a lot of factors, बहुत सारे factors है, but basic होता है clothes, hair, skin, all these things. So with clothes, you need to actually go and watch one of my videos which is called the capsule wardrobe videos, where I've explained it to you nicely ki which skin color needs to wear what color according to the Korean skin theory. And if I had to give you a short brief, आपको करना क्या है, that you actually have to go and declutter your wardrobe कि आपको क्या ज़रूरत है and क्या नहीं है. So you could actually like get new things and fit in your wardrobe. You can go according to whatever budget you think आपका fit होता है, and then like choose colors which suit you, which suit your skin tone. I fit the best in autumn colors. So yeah, that's my skin color. आपके skin color के हिसाब से आपके अलग अलग preferences भी हो सकते हैं. Not necessarily they always have to be beige, black, white. They have to be in your wardrobe क्योंकि तुम्हें कभी presentation आ गया या कुछ आ गया. So you never know कि whenever work shows up, तो you have to wear those formal attire. But in daily wear, when you're going out, you can opt for your skin color options. And you can check that video out. You can check that video of mine, which is already live on my channel, and you will get it clear कि आपको क्या कलर पहनना है क्या नहीं. Skin comes with a lot of factors कि तुम्हारी age क्या है, what is your skin type, do you do a lot of skincare, are you into skincare, and why skincare is important. So skincare में nothing as such, normal face wash. They say is cleansing, toning, moisturizing. I would say great, but what I personally do is what I would recommend to you. मैं यूज़ करती हूँ एक normal face wash, मैं यूज़ करती हूँ एक sunscreen दिन में 2 बार, and then I use a moisturizer because it's winter time. भले Bombay doesn't have winters, but my skin tends to get even more dry. It's already dry, it gets even more dry when it's winter. So we never know. But yeah, this is what a basic skin needs. And water, दिन में you should have at least, I can't drink more than 2 liters, but it is advisable to drink at least 3 liters of water. Very, very, very important. It is just very important. Your skincare is more of what you eat than you apply. Having dinners before 8 p.m, not having a lot of junk. मतलब मुझसे मेरी दाल मखनी परोठे के बगैर रहा जाता नहीं है. But I control. I have my days of eating like a bull. But yeah, I do control. You have to have salad. ककड़ी खा लो, टमाटर खा लो, जो आपको लगता है सैलड पसंद है. कॉर्न खा लो, लेटस खा लो, कुछ भी खा लो. But have one salad in every meal. Will keep you fuller for a longer period of time. और आप थोड़ा इधर उधर का अक्रम शकरम you can avoid. So yeah, skincare is more of what you eat than you apply. But yes, application is necessary. Sunscreen के बिना तुम घर से बाहर छोड़, you can't even be without a sunscreen in your own home. That is what I do. Avoid wearing open toe footwear in colleges and offices. You are in a professional setting, try wearing normal shoes, or probably Crocs is also fine. Sometimes a lot of people wear Crocs these days as normal footwear also. I mean, it is a normal footwear. Avoid wearing slippers and chappals and all these things in colleges and offices. Maintain a decorum of a place that you went. Be in a certain setting, be dressed in a proper way. Don't wear inappropriate clothes. Matlab, it doesn't mean that okay, you can't wear sleeveless or something like that. No, that doesn't mean that. But make sure that you are in a certain, like, you don't need to change yourself for anybody. You don't need to, you just be you, but also maintain the decorum of this place. I hope you get the context. Lastly, think positive, be positive, speak no evil, do no evil, see no evil, hear no evil. And I will see you in my next video. I hope you like this video. If you know, if you do, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Love.